Name of yours sounds bird in hen clan. Name of yours sounds nicely on tongue, on single smackingly implosive lips. Name of yours sounds five caps. Ball that's catapulted and caught, as silveringly bell-clapped retort. Thrown a stone into tranquil pond, sobered mates, that is how it sounds. Lightly clopping benighted hoofful, sounds your name so, like thunderbolt. And to my temple, name presses stick, sounding loud with triggering click. Name of yours, sounds glass of this. Name of yours sounds on my eye, kiss. Tenderly frosted eyelid and name of yours sounds, it's a kiss on snow, springing blue glacial, ice water, gulping deep. Name that is, down draughted sleep. Translated by Rupert Moreton, Marina Tsvetaeva, from Poems for Blok. Thank you, Marina Tsvetaeva.